I mentioned to you guys a couple months ago that I was potentially going to be purchasing a house, and what's up, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. Right now it's nighttime, actually. It's like 8 o'clock at night on September 4th. Yes, Tuesday, September 4th. I got home from work not too long ago and I got all of my fall stuff out. So I wanted to show you guys what I have in like my fall decor box and then some of the stuff that I do around my room. And I'm also going to be putting some of this stuff on my desk at work. But another really exciting thing is that I mentioned to you guys a couple months ago that I was potentially going to be purchasing a house, and it may or may not have happened. In the next few months, I will be moving, which words cannot explain how excited I am. And I'm going to take you through the whole process. I'm gonna be doing some renovations, which I'm gonna take you guys along with. Like, I'm gonna be doing a whole kitchen renovation and I'm so excited. But for right now, since I'll be moving in the next few months, I don't wanna go out and purchase a whole bunch of new fall decor. So I just wanna stick with what I already have, which isn't too much, but I do have a decent amount. So I wanted to show y'all right now, like what I'm doing to put it around my room. Okay, so first, just to show you what's actually in the bins. This is like a cute little bag. I got some leaves, which they look kind of bent. And then this I made so long ago. It's just like glitter. Got some corn, some lights, a little mug. I think I'm gonna take this to work and use it to hold my pens. How freaking cute is that? We got my little scarecrow. He's so cute. I might take him to work, I'm not sure. And then some flowers. All of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. It's just a mason jar with some like fake hay and then some fake flowers. I got my candle, some fall scented spray, a little pumpkin. I think I'm gonna take this to work too. Little coasters. I think these are so cute. I'm definitely gonna save these for my new place, but I might use one for now and then take one to work because I always like have a cup of water at work. Oh, this is like my favorite. Look how cute this is. Harvest blessings, corn maze, pumpkin pie, apple cider, hay rides, and Thanksgiving. Oh, hey guys. I think this is just like the cutest darn thing. I got this from the Dollar Tree, like the Dollar Tree for $1. How cute is this? I feel like this looks like something you get at like TJ Maxx. So that's all my fall decor. Those will be my fall things that I bring to work with me. If nothing else keeps, can I keep you just for a minute? I got my fall blanket in here. Gotta move Powell out of the way. Oh, I love this pillow. I've been waiting all year to bring this pillow back out. I don't know it's real, but I really wanna feel you now. As sad as I am that I have to like get rid of my beautiful pink and gray pillows because I love them, it is time for the fall time, so we're gonna pack those up and bring out my fall blankets. Get a little too close, can I stop your heart for a moment? If I don't even care, is that really such a crime? If I don't even care, is that really such a crime? Look at how it's so fall. So festive. Good morning, guys. It's actually the next day, but I wanted to show y'all what my room looks like with all my fall decor ready when it's light out. So let's take a look. Look how fall-y. So this gray blanket underneath is from Costco, and then this red one is from TJ Maxx. This one is also from TJ Maxx, and this white one is from IKEA. And then as far as my pillows, this one, I'm not really sure where it's from. My grandma gave it to me. This one, Tim gave to me, so I'm not really sure where that one's from either. Also, side note, my bed is from wayfair.com, if you were curious. And then this is like my favorite pillow ever. I got it last fall, and it is just from TJ Maxx. And then over here by my lamp side, I have my little fall setup. This is a little fall coaster, fall candle, fall spray, and then this isn't fall, but it's just this deep sleepy pillow spray that I got from my FabFitFun box a little while ago. And then really simple for my mirror, I just took a couple little flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, put them up here, and then this I made myself a while ago, just got the wrap from the Dollar Tree and taped on some leaves from the Dollar Tree, so I stuck that up there. And then over on my door, I just hung this little sign. I think it's so cute. Oh, and then my desk is a little messy at the moment. Got my coffee right here. But this little flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then this picture is so cute. It's of Callie, and it was taken in the fall time, so it's perfect. That's what my room looks like, all ready for fall now. Last year, I did do a much more formal fall decor video, which incorporates a lot of this stuff, so I'll have that link down below if you want to check that out. But for this year, like I said, because I'm moving, I just wanted to keep it real simple, pretty much do exactly what I did last year, and yeah. So if you watched till this part, the question of the day that I want y'all to answer down below is, do you want to see an empty condo tour? The closing date should hopefully be next week. I'm really excited, and I thought it would be fun after I close if I take y'all in and like show you an empty condo tour. I will be doing a ton of updates. Well, we're gonna be renovating the kitchen and probably redoing the floors. So those are some big projects that will get done before I move in, and I'll film all that for y'all too. But if you want to see like a plain original, I don't know what I'm saying, just like if you want to see empty house tour before I do any renovations or move in or anything, let me know that in the comments. And I gotta get to work. It's like almost 8 o'clock. I gotta leave my house at 8 o'clock. My new condo is like 10 minutes from my work. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so great. Film so many more videos in the morning. All right guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video.